Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to transfer files and data from Android phone to iPhone. So this is a brand new iPhone and I'm going to transfer all the files and everything from Android to iPhone. This iPhone is brand new, so if you are going to transfer it to iPhone, you're gonna need to erase everything and reset the iPhone. So once you reset the iPhone, it will come like this. So first of all, select language and then select the country of origin on your iPhone. Now select the appearance, set it manually, and then connect to the Wi-Fi. So you don't need to do anything on your Android phone just now. Just connect to the Wi-Fi on your new phone and leave the SIM card as it is on your old phone. So I'm selecting the Wi-Fi and make sure both the phones are connected to the Wi-Fi if you have really large files on your Android phone. So it's gonna take a while to load up. Data and privacy, continue, and set as a new iPhone. Face ID, you can do it later in the settings. Create a passcode, so I'm gonna just put a random passcode for this video and then confirm it. Now transfer data, just select transfer from Android and click continue. And now you're gonna go to your Android phone and go to your Play Store, then type in iOS. Now select the first one, move to iOS. So you're gonna see lots of apps and to transfer your file to iOS. So just install the move to iOS app. Once it's installed, open it and then accept the license agreement. Only when you're using the app. Just allow. Turn on location, because my phone's location was off, so I needed to turn the location on. Now if you wanna connect with Bluetooth or without the device, without the Bluetooth, so I've just selected without cable. Enter the verification code. Now select items to transfer, so you have to allow everything. So just tick them on, make sure they are on green. So select one by one. So whatever you don't want to transfer, you can just leave it unticked. So as I'm transferring WhatsApp chat as well, so it's just loading up to transfer the WhatsApp as well. It's done. So just click on continue, and the file started to transfer. So it takes about 4 to 5 hours for my phone to transfer, because I have lots of photos and videos, and apps are quite big. So it took about 3 to 4 hours, depending how much files you got on your Android phone. Average it takes about 2 hours. So all the files are transferring now. So because it's gonna take a while, I'm going to plug in the charger for them, so it doesn't die up. You can see the progress on your screen, but make sure both screen are not locked, and make sure Wi-Fi is connected properly. If Wi-Fi gets disconnected, then file transfer will be disrupted. So after a few hours, it's still showing lot of time. So once it's complete, and the screen will come up as transfer complete, and click on continue. Now Apple account, use other sign-in option. If you have an Apple account, you can just type it in here, and if you don't, just set it up later in the settings. Accept terms and conditions. Because there's lots of files inside, it takes a little while to load up for every step. Update your iPhone automatically. Continue. Say continue. Turn the location service on. And set up mobile service. You can set it up later in the settings, because you don't have a SIM card inserted. So I'll press set up later in settings. Or you can, in this, screen time, you can set up later in the settings. And share with Apple. Light or dark display, select any. Apple Intelligence, continue. Continue. You can set them up later in the settings. So I'm just keep on continuing for the video. Siri, you can set it up later. Emergency, continue. And your new iPhone is ready. So once your iPhone is ready, now you can turn the iPhone off and transfer the SIM over, and your new iPhone will be ready to use. So all the apps and everything has come. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe. Thank you.